Hello everyone, today we will learn how to change or update the WhatsApp DP of your bot. So first of all, you have to log in into your Meta Business Manager account. Here you will find on the left hand side the WhatsApp accounts. Then navigate to BotPenguin CS and here you will see the option of WhatsApp Manager. Just click on it. Then you will be redirected to new page. Now from here, click on this BotPenguin. As soon as you click on BotPenguin, here you can see the name for the BotPenguin. Click on here. Here you will be land on this page. Now here you can see this profile section. Here you can update the profile photo. Just choose a file, whatever image you want to upload, and then click on open. And after that you can see your profile pic here on the right hand side preview. You can also request for the green tick or the verified tick on the WhatsApp by clicking on the submit request button. Once your request is approved, you can see the green tick on your WhatsApp bot. So this is how you can change your profile photo and get a green tick on your WhatsApp account. Thank you very much.